1062. For the ETF Trust, SPY. All right, let's discuss the stock market. So the first step after you open your account is to set up an investing plan. And this is just a simple plan where you come up with a goal of what you are doing with this money. Now the money that I'm using here is after-tax money. This is not my retirement account. This is fun money. This is money that I would save and spend on my cars. And so that might be your goal. My goal now is just to make videos about trading, because now I'm working as an engineering program manager. I do not have time to watch the stock market. All of the investing that I'm going to be doing on YouTube is going to be passive investing. I used to be an active investor. I used to stare at a screen all day, and I used to make a lot of money. I am not going to be making a lot of money here because I cannot watch this all day. So it's important to realize we're probably going to lose money here, but my goal is just to teach you guys about trading. So when I did the videos in the past, I suggested investing in a broad market ETF. And many people were disappointed in that because it was so boring. However, if you go back a year, you'll notice how cheap that broad market ETF is compared to now. So you would have gotten some great returns if you followed that. So here we are now. We are at all-time market highs. What do you do? If it's any consolation to you, if it helps you out, I threw $50,000 into a broad market ETF and a bond fund that I thought would appreciate under Trump. And so my bond fund has already gone up, and I don't think I've made any money on my ETF. The reason I did VTI this time is because I'm going to be talking about trading options with you guys, and the share price is cheaper on VTI than it is on SPY. So we'll get to that later. What I want to talk about now is buying your first individual stock. What stocks would I recommend playing with for people that have absolutely no knowledge of the stock market? The top stocks that I hear people talking about are the FANG stocks. That is Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. I do not like Netflix, so I prefer the FAG stocks, Facebook, Amazon, and Google. Now for this video, I picked Amazon. Amazon did not go up with the Trump rally, and I thought it was a good stock to buy. So I bought 8 shares at the end of 2016. I paid $754 a share. I come home after work today and it is at $799 a share. I am going to wait through earnings to see what happens to it. But anyways, my point with this is that you don't need to go out and analyze the 10Q form. You just need to look at the chart. You wait for a big drop in price, you buy it, and they generally go up. If I was going to recommend a trade to someone who had no idea about the stock market, that would be it. Now moving forward, there's a couple items in my account that I blurred out, and those are put options. Now, what I like about put options, especially in this market, is because we're reaching all-time highs, I don't want to pay the prices that they're at. And so I will sell a put option to get a lower price, and I will explain that in the next video. That is it for now. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you enjoy your car. When you start looking at the stock market and you start trading, you'll notice in your account that it says bid, ask, and what do those numbers mean? You need to understand what those numbers mean because you might get screwed if you don't. And so let's talk about it. Let's say I want to buy a stock called WTF, and I'm looking at the price. I pull up the chart, and the current price that it was last traded at is $5.15. This is what we see on the finance chart when we pull it up in Google or whatever we're looking at, and then we see the bid and ask price.